in a tank of wonders, where colors collide, rainbow reefs shimmer in the ocean inside, Amazonian whispers, where neon dreams bloom. A dance of life unfolds in an underwater room. Tank after tank, a symphony of hues, where fish and corals paint a masterpiece to choose. From sunken ships to gardens, in water they gleam. Each scene tells a story in this aquatic dream. Citrus colors clash, on rocks they play. African rhythm echoes in a vibrant array. Sunken treasures beckon, in the depths they hide. The celestial galaxies twinkle on this cosmic tide. Tank after tank, a symphony of hues, where fish and corals paint a masterpiece to choose from past